You confronted me. I'm off the sidewalk.
Stand right over there.
You betcha. Don't touch it. Do not touch it. That's interference. That's a federal act you just did. 42 USC 1983.
Video me. I don't care. I have no problem with you.
Can you quit stepping towards me?
No, absolutely not. I can step wherever I want. Do you have your license on you?
No.
And just so
I
you know,
got a question though.
you
Why
have
does
no
he just got the
expectation of
phone
privacy
now?
in public.
Hey, why does he just have a phone?
None.
He doesn't get like a cool camera.
Yeah.
Imagine standing on a public sidewalk, simply exercising your First Amendment rights, when suddenly, an officer unholsters their weapon, aiming it directly at you. No crime committed, no laws broken, just a camera in your hand. In today's video, we witness a shocking encounter where law enforcement takes things way too far, escalating a peaceful situation into a terrifying one. Is filming in public really a threat, or is this just another case of abuse of power? Let's break it down.
They are.
Okay, I don't know what that is, but
It's a camera. No, well not. No, it's PC 148G. Unholster your weapon. Don't you unholster your weapon. No, take your hands off your weapon. This is PC 148G. What's your name and your ID right now? What's your name and what's your ID? What's your name? What's your ID? Unholster your weapon. You better put your weapon. It's a camera. You know it is. It's a GoPro. Put your weapon back in your holster. Get your supervisor here now. It's a friggin' GoPro and you know it is. I'm putting this on video. No, put your weapon back in your holster.
lower that thing right now.
Dude, you shoot me on camera. My father was chief of police in Louisville, Kentucky. Shoot me, watch what happens.
Lower that right now. Lower
It's a GoPro!
Here, what it is. Lower it.
I'm gonna put it right down. Don't you touch it, it's a GoPro.
Put it right down.
You put your weapon back in your holster. Where's your supervisor right now? What's your name? What's your ID?
Have him, away.
No, I'm out of the way. You confronted me. I'm off the sidewalk.
Stand right over there.
You betcha. Don't touch it. Do not touch it. That's interference. That's a federal act you just did. 42 USC 1983. 42 USC 1985. You're not allowed to touch that. Get your sergeant. Get Ranky out here on duty right now. Get sergeant out here now. I'm reaching for my phone. What's your name? What's your badge number, tyrant?
Just right there. Stay right there.
What's your name? What's your badge number, tyrant?
Sir, you can't delay me from doing my duty.
I wasn't. You confronted me. I'm here checking everything out. You should have never touched. What's your name? What's your ID, tyrant?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna worry about me. Ranky knows exactly who I am.
How you doing, sir? Is this yours?
Yes, sir it is. Hello, Sergeant. Saldares?
Well, you're welcome to film
Thank
what
you.
we're doing.
No.
Just don't be in
He's
the way.
done. He unholstered his weapon and threatened me for doing a photography, for doing First Amendment protected activity. He knew well it was a GoPro. He's in trouble. He unholstered his weapon and threatened to kill me because I'm over here for doing photography.
Just be.
Sergeant Saldares, what's your officer's name right here? Rubio?
Back up, sir. So,
Okay, what's the tyrant's name over there? What's the felonious tyrant over there who just unholstered his weapon to threaten to kill me because I'm over here doing a PC 148G? What's his name? What's his ID?
that's Officer Everett.
Sergeant Officer Everett? What's his ID number? I want his name and his ID.
I don't have his ID.
You need to get that. You're sergeant on duty. Ranky knows who I am. Sergeant knows who I am. This is California. This is what. Dude, you're in trouble. Don't think for a second. You're in trouble for unholstering that weapon and threatening to kill me. That's right. You just admitted it. No, he needs to be done. You need to relieve him off duty. All this is going to go to IA here immediately. And I'm going to FOIA everything.
He's going to take care of the issue.
He needs to. Then I'm going to FOIA everything. This right here is absolutely outlandish. He unholstered his fucking weapon and threatened to kill me for having two cameras out for doing a PC 148G. That is intolerable.
I'm trying to talk to you. I'm not yelling at you.
Oh, listen, when you have your life threatened like that, him, his needs to come off the force. He knew it was a goddamn GoPro.
I'm not yelling at you. I don't know what he thought.
No, I explained to him. I even put the GoPro in front of this camera right here.
He's taking care of that issue first. So if he's seeing something that he thinks is a threat,
No, he knows goddamn good and well what it is. If this pussy thinks the 2 cameras are a threat to him, his pussy should come off the force. No, I showed it to him. That's a GoPro, and he knew good and well it was a GoPro.
with that item in your hand, in that
Bull. We were standing right here. I even took it to the side. I don't care. No, that's. No, I don't need to. No, he knows this.
pointing at
His. No, I don't want to hear it. Ranky knows who I am. You guys just cruised by the National Guard as I was doing an audit, and you guys cruised by yelling my first name, knowing good well who I am.
that wasn't me.
Well, this guy's in trouble. His is off the force. He is not going to unholster his weapon and threaten somebody with death because they're holding 2 goddamn cameras. Your ass is done, Corporal. Tyrants like you are not allowed on the police department anymore. You
How's it going?
Pretty good. How you doing?
What are you guys doing?
What are you doing?
Sounds like you got a call.
Like a film or something? You guys doing a school project or something?
No, not a school project. It's all independent films that we do.
Oh, yeah. All right. Sounds good.
Can I get your name and badge number?
Ricardo Gonzalez, badge 1031.
Thank you.
And then can I get your name and badge number, please?
You just got it.
Yeah, but I want it for mine.
You're not listening?
My camera, can you hear me?
Ricardo Gonzalez, 1031.
All right, cool. Hey, have you ever seen the Visalia PD with the sunflower seeds?
No. What is
No?
that?
No, just a question.
Hey, did you get a call about us?
I did.
Why?
Just because you're at the police headquarters and you're filming, that's all.
Is there something wrong?
Not that I can tell.
Then how come you approached us?
I just told you because I got a call.
But still, that's no reason to approach us. We're not
Sure
doing
it is. I
nothing.
get the
We're not
call
doing
and
nothing
I
wrong.
go.
But we're not doing nothing wrong.
Did I say you were?
But how come you guys don't call the caller and say, "Hey, man, there's nothing wrong here"? So
I haven't got that far yet. I just got here. Once I get done here, I'll tell them.
she's right there. If you want, you can. You
Oh,
can.
she the one who called?
Yeah. You can get out and tell her if you want, man. That look good on you.
No, yeah.
When I'm done, I will.
All right.
Hey,
Well,
please
we'll
educate her, please,
wait.
all right?
I'll tell him.
Educate. I'll tell her. Educate. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You as well.
All right.
Be safe out there.
Alrighty.
I'd like to see that, man. That'd be cool.
You see what?
If you can educate her real quick, man, because she's calling armed men. You know what I mean?
No, she didn't say that.
And
No,
she has our lives at risk with you guys because you guys are known for killing people, man.
she didn't say that.
What? What are you talking about?
She didn't report that at all.
But obviously there was a problem, right?
No problem.
Okay.
Not that I can tell.
So you know what the call was?
Yes.
What was the call?
2 males, and they give a description.
Mm-hmm.
Walking around the headquarters here and filming or videotaping. One of the 2.
Okay. So,
Can I get your name?
no.
Okay. Can I get your name?
Absolutely not.
All right.
You mind go ahead and letting her know now?
I will.
How come you shook her no?
I will.
Okay. All right. All right. This will be cool, man. You should be ashamed of yourself for calling the police on us. Hey, but you'll get educated soon, all right? You'll be on YouTube.
That's the walk of shame if I ever did see one.
You're right. Walk of shame, guys.
My order. Let's go. He's not going anywhere.
Wow, they actually called for backup. Are you serious?
Okay.
Recording. That's all.
Suspicious. Okay.
Suspicious of crime?
I'm sorry?
It's suspicious of crime?
I didn't accuse you of a crime.
No, I'm asking you.
No, it's not.
Okay, so why are you guys approaching us?
You already asked me that, and I.
I'm asking you.
That's not a
Okay.
valid answer, miss. I'm sorry.
Can I get your name and badge number?
Absolutely. My name's Officer Marquez, and my badge number is 1411. What's your
Let me ask you something. Are you a good cop? Because you seem very intimidating. Like, you know, you're here to intimidate us.
By asking you what you're doing here? How is that intimidating?
Yeah. Like, what are we doing wrong for you to ask us? You shouldn't even approach us.
I do when somebody makes up a call for service.
No.
it's my
It
job
doesn't
to
work
not
that
do-
way.
It does. You don't know how it works, so I'm trying
No,
to
I
tell
do know how it works, ma'am.
You asked me a question, but you don't want to give me an opportunity
What's
to
your
answer.
name and badge number?
You asked me that already.
I don't care. I want it.
Watch
You're
your-
very
watch your-
unprofessional.
When people call other citizens, when they make a call, it's my job to come over here.
That was an unlawful. It's unlawful. Like, what are we
Unlawful
doing?
what?
What are we doing?
An unlawful what?
What are we doing? You're dismissed. You can leave now. You can leave.
So can you?
You're gonna
No,
leave
we're actually
before
gonna
us.
stay here. This is all public sidewalk.
You're gonna leave before
It is,
us.
so,
This is public.
which
I'm here
which
working.
again makes your original call.
Very cordial.
Ma'am, you
That's what
can
were
you can leave now.
And you responded. And I told you,
What are you doing?
again, for the fourth time, I am responding to a call for service.
Okay, there's no service needed here.
You
so
are
you're
not the
dismissed.
citizen that called. You two seem to
Okay,
think
then.
that
Okay,
You
then
need to
go ask
leave.
that miss, then go ask her right now. Why are you going up to us like as if we're doing something wrong? Go ask the
because
female.
the call with cameras.
What's wrong with cameras?
What's wrong with cameras pointing at people
Nobody
on public
says
people?
you're doing anything
So
wrong.
why
You're
approach
dismissed.
us? Why are you
You're
approaching
dismissed. Why are
us?
you
You're
here?
dismissed also.
No,
Get
I'm
out of
staying
here.
and
Kick
recording
rocks.
you.
This
my
is our
job.
place.
Okay, if it's your
I
job,
work here
then I'm gonna
too.
wait until you get your next call. So
You work for me. Remember that.
I don't work for
Yeah,
you.
you
I work
do.
for
Both of
Yes,
us,
you
actually.
do.
Yes, you do.
Yes.
don't.
Yes, you do.
Yes, you. Oh, you're gonna get educated, ma'am.
Just as much as I work
Let me
for
let you know you're going
I
on
work for
YouTube.
the-
You're
okay,
gonna be a big star.
perfect. So just as much
Perfect.
as you think I work for you, I work for the other people
You work for me.
that live in the city
You're
of Fresno
dismissed.
who pay taxes.
You're dismissed.
Because you don't want
You're
me here.
dismissed.
You're standing in the ramp.
You're dismissed.
He's standing in the ramp.
This is the ramp,
You're not going to
the
dismiss
sidewalk.
You're.
Oh, trust me, you're gonna leave before. You're gonna leave before us.
Yeah,
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
you're dismissed. Thank you.
So they're calling for more.
We're both recording each other.
What's going on? I don't know.
What are you guys doing?
We're doing.
Okay, but you gotta understand.
We don't answer questions.
Okay, let me just tell you something. For our officer safety and our employees here, we want to know why you're doing that.
We don't have to tell you.
Okay, well, we're not going to let you go any further than here.
What do you mean further? This is the sidewalk, man.
We're going to go that way because
Sure.
employees are working here.
Oh, you guys are the dirty cops.
Okay, that's fine. I'm not gonna obstruct.
Hey
traffic.
man, you guys are gonna look good on YouTube. Trust me. Trust me, you guys are gonna look good on YouTube. Hey guys, we're gonna go to part 2. These guys,
You guys.
I'm glad you guys had us come over here because yeah, these cops, they need to be educated.
What's the purpose of this? You guys just video recording the police?
That's none of your business, man.
Okay.
We have a right not to
Recording in
answer your
public,
questions.
That's all you need to know. Thank you.
You're just recording on public.
You guys need to know, man. What's wrong with you guys?
There's nothing wrong, or else I wouldn't be wearing a camera.
Get the hell out of here then. What's wrong with you? I don't know. I don't understand why you're approaching
you guys
us.
can record on the sidewalk all you want. Just do not interfere with the police business and argument. Okay? Do not obstruct officers coming in and out.
Check it out. You guys work for us, man.
Who's under arrest.
You understand that?
I work for the city of
No.
Fresno.
You work for us. We're the people. We're the people.
Absolutely.
All right.
Don't touch me. Thank
Come with us. Come with some respect.
All right, you guys can stay there all you want
I
to.
did respect
We
you.
do this shit. We do this shit for a living. And you guys are the ones we get rid of. Trust me.
Your name and badge number, please?
Sergeant Barton, S220.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Fact.
All right.
We're good.
You're cocky, aren't
dismissed.
you?
Thank you.
You're cocky,
No,
ain't
I'm
you?
knowledgeable. You're not.
All right.
Different.
All right.
We're good. You guys
Thank
stay
you.
right there
Thank
where
You
you.
both are dismissed. Thank you.
Stay there.
Yeah.
Stay right where you're
Kick
at.
rocks. You're dismissed. I told you you're gonna leave before us.
Didn't we tell you?
Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? Miss Tuffy. Good job. Good job. You hear this guy?
Good job.
This is corrupt police, you guys. This is corrupt police.
You're dismissed. Thank
You're
you.
dismissed. Kick rocks.
Sorry, dude.
Told you. Yeah, they're gonna fucking learn. You guys are gonna learn. Yeah.
Don't go by his car, okay?
Excuse me?
You don't need to go that
Wow, look at. Is it a crime?
No, she's obstructing me.
What are you doing?
I am, because you guys are walking in and out of this ramp.
Wow. Anything, huh? You're just fishing for anything, huh? Anything, huh?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
You guys just won't go. You
Wow.
leave
Do we have
well
to?
enough alone.
Do we have to leave?
No, we don't have to leave. Absolutely not.
If I didn't say you did, you just won't.
All
You
right.
have nothing else to do but come and pick apart.
No, you guys have nothing else to do.
I'm at work.
Doing what?
I already told you that the first. Like,
Right now,
20
what are
minutes
you
ago.
doing?
Service though.
I'm still on a call for service.
Really?
It's not you who called, so have an obligation.
Okay, so
to you at
what's
this
the
moment.
service you're doing right now?
Well, why don't you talk to the miss who called them?
I already did.
Then what if
Check it out, man. Your actions is it's gonna be on you guys from here on. So if you guys are dirty cops, it ain't hard. It ain't hard to tell the good cops from the bad cops. Trust me on that. Yeah. They heard of us. I'll let you know exactly who I am. I'm Tulare County Cop Watch.
Now you're dismissed, okay?
You know what? You're absolutely right. I am. So the rights that you're trying to exploit, I'm going to go protect
Bye.
everybody else who does.
That's what you were supposed to be doing.
That's what you should
Thank you.
be doing.
That's why we're here to check on you.
Guys, I appreciate it.
Thank you. You're
Yeah.
dismissed yet again. We're trying to get pictures of anything my eyes can see.
Homeland Security threat level. Not.
So what are you taking pictures of?
You now. We're eating it now.
What if I don't want my picture taken?
Well, you're in public.
So? Doesn't mean it gives you the right to take my picture.
Sure does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
I have a right.
Have you read this?
Yeah, I've practiced it quite a bit of times.
Have you? All right, cool. Can you do me a favor?
What's that?
And read it some more? Yeah. Because you need to understand your First Amendment. Yeah, there's certain... What's the First Amendment say? Have you read it so much? What's the First Amendment say? I'm waiting.
You're going to wait.
Oh, yeah?
Because I'm not here for a quiz.
Well,
I'm here doing my job.
Well, go do your job. We'll get what we need.
We'll
and
do
then
your
be
job.
on. I'm doing my job. And we'll go from there.
Well, what is your job?
You see it.
Who are you working for? That's not a legal press pass.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Who assigns press passes?
Who did you get this pass from? Looks like a handmade press to me.
I was born in the U.S., so therefore that gives me the right.
Oh, just to take pictures of somebody else's property?
Yeah. Yeah.
So where's that say in the Constitution?
It's under the First Amendment. It's called the freedom of press.
Okay.
Yeah, they are. I think you're masking on.
Why are you shaking then?
Why am I shaking? I'm not shaking.
Well,
Why
see,
are you
that's-
bothering us on public property?
First of all, you're not on public property.
We are on public property.
What is a sidewalk?
What's a sidewalk?
Depends on where you're
What's the
at.
easement called?
You got 15 feet of easement, but the
From
problem
that
of it
center
is,
line.
it's not to take pictures of what I'm
Sure
doing.
it does.
The First Amendment doesn't protect feelings. It gives us the right to record here, right?
It doesn't give you the right to record here.
Yeah,
Sure it does.
What are you? CCP? You Chinese? You Communist Party?
Communist, so
Yeah.
I've served my country, so you're telling me?
You're a pogue then, aren't you?
You licensed
to
interact with the public outside the facility? Yeah, that's what I want to know. Are you licensed to interact with the public
why
outside
are
of
you
your
out here?
property?
What's going on?
Oh, they're up here taking pictures.
Hey, you know you're so missing.
Oh my God!
Wow. Yeah, y'all ain't gonna surround me. That ain't gonna happen.
Huh? Well, you probably should call him back. Be like, hey, bro. I'm not too clear on the First Amendment. Maybe I need some help. You mind coming down?
Yeah, I might need to restudy that.
So what's the issue? Why are you guys here?
Ask him. I don't know. We're just recording, brother.
Yeah, we're just taking some pictures.
No, I mean, like, why are you
Working on
did
stories.
you get a hold of him coming here, or
Huh?
did you just show up?
No, we just showed up.
Okay, that's why he said because of him that was.
Yeah, but he's being kind of rude. But he could be like, hey, bro.
We might push off the grass a little bit.
I got you.
Oh, yeah,
I ain't gonna block.
Yeah,
We ain't
just
gonna
don't
block.
want anybody to get hit. I'm not trying to be aggressive to you guys.
That's fine.
We're good.
If you have questions, you can go ahead and ask him. Maybe we can help you there.
Yeah.
10 more. We'll be over there.
What's up?
How's it going, man?
How are you?
Okay.
Cool.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Good.
Just out practicing my First Amendment.
Okay.
And
So, MP.
Where are you guys from?
I don't answer personal questions, man. I'm sorry.
Yeah, certain ones we won't answer.
Yep.
But you're welcome to ask certain things.
Yeah, you can answer. You can ask us questions. I might answer.
Oh, yeah,
them, I
yeah.
might
I'm
not.
just talking to you.
Yeah, no,
I'm
that's
just talking
fine.
to you. You guys can. Yeah, I'm just talking. That's it. We're just wondering what's going on.
We're just taking pictures in public. That's literally it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
You guys been deer hunting?
no,
What time of the year?
I've never been
Colin,
hunting
why'd
for
you hide
animals
that? I already got a
people,
picture of it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Colin Smith, everybody.
Colin, well, it's kind of close, but
Yeah, close enough. C. Smith.
yeah.
C. Smith.
C. Smith. S. Swanson.
Christopher.
Let's see.
That's
T.
it. He
Hatfield,
looks
like
a
Hatfield and
Christopher, I can
McCoy. Then we got.
But yeah, man.
Let's see.
First Amendment rights out here.
We got S. Man, N-A-N-N, man. And then, is that Odekirk? Is that how you say that, Odekirk?
That's how it is. You gotta check on it.
Yeah, no.
Until we commit a crime, but we don't do that.
I don't either.
Yeah. Hey,
I don't like paying fines. I don't like getting
yeah, I don't blame you. Me neither. Screw that.
You folks check on everybody that walks down this public access, or just folks
well,
with cameras?
just when they kind of walk up here, they hang out and stuff. We just kind of
we hadn't hung out.
That's
We
it.
had just walked up.
Yep.
Literally.
You guys, we're doing the same thing, you guys. We're just
Yeah.
seeing what's going on.
That's it. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. That's understandable.
Right, yeah, I mean, you got
However, there's one thing that I would love if you could help with. Do you have any problem with us being here, doing what we're doing?
You know, as long as you guys aren't violating any, criminal laws or anything like that.
We won't.
Yeah.
Nothing. Good to go, huh? So, do you understand, like under the First Amendment, freedom of press, why we can do what I've been told to do?
Yeah,
Okay,
we're just-
all right,
we're
that's
just
fine.
checking.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Just for
and
being
then you
told
there's
no
video
supposed to be taken here at all. Okay, I understand where you could be trained at, for
inside
sure, man.
there, though, right? That's
Yeah,
inside
yeah.
your
We're being
property.
period. Okay.
Oh, okay.
This could be a
Unfortunately,
great
I mean-
lesson for whoever told you.
Yeah, the DHS memo in 2018, actually there was a new one that came out in 2021, says we can. So that's your Department of Homeland Security that says we can do this.
Well, it's okay, but the thing of it is, I came out here and I asked you simple questions. You wouldn't.
No, you came out here hostile.
You haven't seen hostile yet. Well,
Is that
I came
threat,
out to
man?
Hey,
Yeah, no, you need to curb him. Is that a threat?
to curb me. I haven't got my heartbeat going
Hey,
yet.
no.
Yeah.
We're done.
Don't escalate,
You-
brother.
Yeah, it's
No, don't.
de-escalation here, not
Stop,
escalate.
just stop.
man.
I know what you guys doing. It's cool. It's whatever.
Okay, see, you're
You guys-
informed,
you guys
know,
doing
but
what
he
it-
don't. And just so you know,
I got a question though.
you
Why
have
does
no
he just got the
expectation of
phone
privacy
out?
in public.
Hey, why does he just have a phone?
None.
He doesn't get like a cool camera.
Yeah.
He has a. Well, his phone's better than my phone.
Yeah, I got an old Samsung. It's barely.
Well, get an
Barely
S10
kicking.
Plus on Amazon,
Plus?
dude. That's $200, and it's
Right.
top tier camera. So I mean,
You know,
Yeah, I don't know.
choice of
You got-
equipment.
might get an iPhone.
I say I just go with Samsung. That's what I say.
Can I get your name, sir?
Yeah, man, that's all we're doing here. So, you know, I wish, you know, that one security would, you know, didn't run away like that. But
No,
it is what it
So
is.
your jurisdiction
You
comes
can't
under
please everyone or educate everyone.
I didn't mispronounce that right. It is Odekirk? Is that how it's pronounced?
That's correct.
I'm pretty good, huh? I got a hard last name too. I know how it is.
I'm a Department of the Army civilian police, so we act.
I've never heard of this.
Yeah, I think they used to have a lot of military, Army, police.
But you're no longer enlisted or officer.
No, I'm a civilian. Yep.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
employed by the Army as a civilian.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Interesting. Okay. Oh,
It's
just
a pretty cool gig.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't
So
know
you're still
around here.
government contracted, right?
No, I'm actually Army civilian employee.
okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah,
Um,
I knew
So
they
if you
had
guys,
some
if you
around.
guys ever been in the military or anything,
Yeah.
if you go like Fort Leonard Wood or something like that, they got
They got them out there.
yeah, they have Army civilian police. They have some
Carson
military
has them
police.
too. I know they have them down
Very
there.
cool. A lot of people don't know we're out here. We're kind of a
Yeah.
small little
I
installation.
didn't
and
know.
I just found out the property's 19,000 acres.
Pretty big, isn't it?
That's
Yeah,
insane.
19,000 acres. That's
Pretty,
that's pretty expansive.
Pretty big chunk.
Wow. All right, you guys see all these units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow.
But yeah, we're gonna be out here.
You know
so,
why
I
we're
mean,
curious what you're
I
doing,
don't know
right?
Yeah, just taking pictures, man. That's it.
I don't think.
Just doing what the First Amendment says we can do. Just doing what the Department of Homeland Security says we can do.
Just
I just want our rights
That's
to be
it.
stood
Yeah.
up for and protected, not
Just,
trampled whatsoever.
Yep.
I want
Right, I
zero
get it.
feelings to enforce.
just do
over
something
our
for
rights.
me though. Just for one, of course, don't we do anything criminal?
Absolutely.
Sounds like you guys.
we're
No, we have no ill
man.
will. We ain't gonna trespass. Nothing like that. We're just gonna take some pictures and do our thing.
You gotta
and-
understand why we gotta come check out who you are.
Oh, yeah.
what
Sure,
you're doing.
yeah, I can understand. The way you guys came up, yeah, awesome
that's
job.
fine.
Cool,
Yeah,
cool.
that's
But the way
fine.
he
You
came
guys are
up,
welcome to
no,
ask
dude.
questions. You
No.
don't have to answer questions.
No.
But no, that's fine. I can understand why you guys would be like, "What are they doing?"
I just want the traffic flowing in out
Yeah,
here.
we're,
yeah.
we will
We
not,
wouldn't-
we're
yeah.
not
Please
gonna
don't
obstruct
disrupt the
anything.
traffic
We
or
won't.
anything like that.
Yep.
I can't really speak on behalf half of.
I've made it into my
Middletown,
40s so
but
far
please.
without getting hit. We'll see. No, we won't.
You literally have nothing to worry about us
Yeah.
unless if, you know, one of them's really bad and like doing bad things, and we might catch it on camera. But if you're doing the right thing, nothing to worry about. You're only going to look good if you act good. type
Yeah,
thing, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
I get it. I get it. I
You
just,
only look bad if you act bad.
I get it. Yep.
Yeah, that's about it, man.
All right. Cool.
So, I mean, we'll continue. I don't know if you have anything else to say, or if you want to huddle and be like, dude, they're good to go. Just let them do their thing, relax, you know.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we might hang out here.
I mean, if you want
We're
to,
gonna-
you
we're
can.
gonna walk around,
I mean,
too,
yeah,
so-
we're going to be walking, so
I mean, if you guys want to tag along,
that's up to
it could be a long walk.
Well, it's good for you though.
Yeah.
It is. You're right. You're right.
Yep.
Alrighty.
We do a lot of it, that's for sure.
Good deal.
All right, guys. We appreciate it. We're going to keep doing our thing. Yep, you too.
This video is a powerful reminder of why knowing your rights is crucial. Law enforcement officers are trained to take control, but that doesn't mean they're always right. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, remember, stay calm, keep recording, and assert your rights clearly. The First Amendment protects your ability to film in public spaces, and no amount of intimidation should strip that away. At the end of the day, public accountability starts with us, because if we don't stand up, who will?